This question is from Arshdeep. The total price of two rulers is $22. Two rulers and three glues is $22, while the total price of 8 rulers and 1 glue is $33. Find the total price of a ruler and a glue. Okay, first of all, we need to know net X dollar be the price of each ruler, and Y dollar be the price of each glue. Okay, so 2 rulers, 3 glues is 22, so it means that 2 times X is the price for 2 rulers plus 3 times Y. 3 times Y is the price for 3 glues. So the total price of 2 rulers and 3 glues equal to 22. And second condition, 8 rulers, so AX, and 1 glue, so 1 times Y, which is Y, equal to 33. So we set up the simultaneous equation. The first equation and second equation, we labeled it. So from the second equation, we can see that we can change the subject Y to Y, which equal to 33 minus AX. We just move AX to the right hand side. Change sign, change operation. Here, addition on the left hand side, so change to the right hand side become subtraction. Here, I labeled it as third equation, equation 3. Now we can substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So when we see Y, we replace it by 33 minus AX. So we have 2X plus 3Y equal to 22. So what is Y? Y can be replaced by 33 minus AX. Okay, this part. Now we have brackets, so we can remove the bracket by rainbow method. 2X plus 3 times 33, we get 99. 3 times negative AX, we get negative 24X. Negative 24X equal to the right hand side 22. Now we can combine the 9 term, 2X minus 24X, which is 22X, and 22 on the right hand side. Move positive 99 to the right hand side. Change sign, change operation. Here, addition, change to subtraction, minus 99. So we have negative 22X equal to negative 77. So divided by negative 22 on both sides. So we have, let me move it. Okay, move it to a little bit to the left. Okay, so divided by negative 22, negative 22X divided by negative 22, and on the right hand side negative 77 divided by negative 22. So 22 can be cancelled, negative 22. So left hand side is X, and right hand side also can be cancelled by divided by negative 11. So this gets 2 divided by negative 11. This is 7. So the answer should be 7 over 2, which is 3.5, or you can write 7 over 2. Okay. Now after you get the values of X, then we put X equal to 7 over 2 into equation 3. So we have Y equal to 33 minus A times X. X is 7 over 2. So 2 and 8 can be cancelled, divided by 2, so this is 4 is left. So we have Y equal to 33 minus 4 times 7, which is 28. So Y equal to 5. Therefore, the total price of the total price of one ruler and one glue will equal to 7/2. This is for the price for one ruler plus the price for one glue, so which is $8.5. That's it. Thank you.